Hello viewers, I have been using iPhone 17 and I am getting an excellent SOT of 9 hours plus on a single charge. Currently my iPhone 17 is running on iOS 26.1 stable version. In this video I will talk about how I am getting this kind of insane battery life from my iPhone 17. Let me give you a live example how I am getting excellent battery life on my iPhone 17. As you can see here that currently the battery status is 51% and I have charged up to 90%. And if you closely look at the usage pattern, you can see that I have used mostly WhatsApp, and then I have scrolled through Photos app and then home screen and lock screen, and you can see that 49% has been used and I have got 4 hours and 25 minutes. That is insane. So if I use up to 10%, I will get another 4 hours SOT on a single charge. That means I am getting 8 hours plus SOT. Plus I have set the battery up to 90%. So if I charged about 100%, I will definitely get 9 hours plus SOT. How I am getting this? Actually, I have turned off all the background app refresh except WhatsApp. If you don't need all these apps, you can turn off the background app refresh. The second thing that I did is in the notification. As you can see here, I have turned off notification for all those apps which I don't want notifications from. But there are some important apps and I turned on the notification for those apps only. You can also select the apps and set the notification turned on or turned off according to your usage. The next thing I did is the location services. If I go into security and privacy, here I will get the location services, and in these location services I have turned off some of the toggles and some of the icons. You can also follow this pattern so that you will get very good battery life. These location services drain out a lot of batteries. The next important setting is in the 5G variant. I don't use 5G on my iPhone 17 because mostly I use my iPhone 17 in Wi-Fi, so I don't need 5G, and even in outdoor condition 4G is enough for me. So it preserves the battery because 5G data or 5G network consumes a lot of batteries. After changing these settings and iOS 26.1, I am getting excellent battery life. You will also get very good battery life on your iPhone 17 or any other model if you follow these steps. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are getting excellent battery life or not. An excellent tip is that you can turn on the darker mode to get more battery life out of your iPhone. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.